They took my coins, but can I say I regret it or I missed $100? Hey there, my natural light kings and queens. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Shay and I go by bahamiancurlgurl. No long talking today, we can just go ahead and jump into the video. Today I will be reviewing the Curlsmith transition line. I got the transition kit, how long ago? Black Friday. So I got 4 products from the line. The entire line is actually vegan and cruelty free, which is great. There's no sulfates and no silicones, which I absolutely love. So the first product that came in the transition box is the Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash. So what this is kind of like a co-wash. Well, not kind of. They say that it is cleansing conditioner for all hair types, which is basically what a co-wash is. It says that it's for moisture, anti-frizz, shine, and to detangle. Some key ingredients in here, they have listed here for you to see. The product is 12 fluid ounces, and then on the back it just says apply a generous amount of this foamless co-wash onto wet hair. It says massage onto scalp, smooth through ends, leave-in for 3 minutes, wash and detangle. So this co-wash is actually really good at detangling. I was able to detangle my hair, I want to say in under 5 minutes. I'm not really a co-wash person. I prefer a shampoo, but since getting color, the hairstylist recommend that I actually co-wash in between my shampoos, which is one extra thing that I have to do in a week, which I'm not looking forward to, but this would be my go-to co-wash for that because I love how quick it is at detangling my hair. It's super moisturizing. It leaves my hair smooth for real. Like, it preps my hair for the next product, which the next product stands alone on its own, and it's just impeccable. But I really like this, and I felt like it did an amazing job at detangling and adding moisture to my hair. And for anyone that actually co-washes instead of shampoo, you would love this co-wash. So honestly, I always give my favorites at the end of the video, but based on how I talk, y'all already know that this product hands down was my favorite in the line. But the next product is the Double Cream Deep Quencher, and this product is 8 fluid ounces. After your regular wash routine, apply a generous amount of the hair, focusing on the length and the ends for a quick moisture boost. It says leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing, and it says for a deep moisturizing treatment, leave on 30 minutes and then rinse. Some of the key ingredients they also list on the bottle. So this deep conditioner, I have to say, is the best thing to ever touch my hair in terms of deep conditioner. This bad boy is super thick, super moisturizing. It has a lot of slip. Honestly, like, this conditioner is a godsend. This conditioner, hands down, like I say, I've tried a lot of deep conditioners, and I can't lie, this is the best deep conditioner to ever touch my hair. Honestly, it's so good that I wish I could just get like a giant gallon of this, because if I only had to use one deep conditioner for the rest of my life, it would be this. So that tells you a lot about how I feel about this deep conditioner. So yeah, I mean, it's amazing. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. That's my thoughts on the deep conditioner. Let's keep it moving. So the next product is their Hold Me Soft Style Balm, and this one says it has a whole of 1. It also has the key ingredients on it: the styling cream for curly and wavy hair, define, bounce, lightweight, hold, and elasticity. It says that you should smooth this on and scrunch your product into damp or wet hair, and then air dry or diffuse as usual. And it has no weight, residue, greasiness, crunch. For extra definition, follow off with the curl, defining, styling smoothie. I just got the transition pack because, listen, Curlsmith products are expensive, and when I purchased it, I got it on Black Friday, and I got, I think, 40% off, and I got this and the detox line, and I still spent like $100. They took my coins, but can I say I regret it or I missed $100? No, because my hair has been great ever since, especially with the detox line. So with the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, it says that it has a hold of 1, but honestly it has a little more of a hold, because when I put it on, my hair was kind of knotting up, like similar to what you get when you have a gel, like a heavy hold gel. And I think that I actually put on a little too much. I could have probably dialed it back a bit. I think this product a little goes a long way, and you don't need as much, but I got a bit carried away because I, want my curls to be defined, and I want all my curls to be coated. On a scale of like consistency, I would put this like close to heavy, but not heavy, so somewhere between medium and heavy for the consistency of it. And like I said, it has a slight hold to it, even though it says it's 1. I mean, I guess slight is 1, but it has a bit of a hold, so just beware of that when you use this. Okay, and the last product is their In Shower Style Fixer. So like with all of them, it has the key ingredients, and then it tells you what it does here, and it has a hold of 10. So for all my peoples out there that are here for hold, want that, unmovable curls, here's the gel for you. Because honestly, this has way too much hold for me personally. I feel like this gel is great for pullbacks. So if you want that slick look, that sleek ponytail, this would be the gel for you, because it has that like tacky feel to it. It's sticky. If you ever use like a really strong gel, you know what I mean. It's like really sticky when you put it on. I find that when I put it on, I actually need to put like a little bit of water on my hand just to loosen it up a bit, loosen up the stickiness. In terms of like crunch and flakes, no flakes, but I had a bit of crunch the first day, but as the days went away, it kind of like broke up, and my curls are just soft now, but I could still feel that it has a bit of hold to it. If you have a week where you need your wash and go to last you forever, basically, this is the gel for you. Personally, this isn't a gel that I'm going to implement in my weekly wash routine. Like I say, if I need slick back looks for style, if I want a certain style that I want to do, and I want to make sure that it's like laid, I would use this. But in terms of like a wash and go, I wouldn't necessarily gravitate towards it. I'm not mad at it. These two together actually did a really good job at giving me a defined wash and go. I do have color now, so it's kind of a little harder to see as opposed to the darker hair. And also, if you missed my video on my 12-hour color change, I'm going to link that up there, so you can go ahead and watch that too. But let me give you all a little close-up action. I have definition, I have softness. In terms of shine, I'm still trying to figure that out with my color, but in terms of like my curls being soft and then being whole and definition, it checks all the boxes for that. So that's these two, and I only got small stylus because that's what came on the line, and like I say, it's very expensive. So in terms of my favorite, I kind of already gave it away at the beginning of the video, but this right here, you need this in your life. Even if you don't suffer from like dry hair or anything like that, or your hair doesn't need extreme moisture, this will be amazing. This will make all of the difference in the overall health of your hair, how your hair takes the products. It will just make a big difference, and I highly recommend. Honestly, the whole line is really good, and if you're in that process where you're transitioning and you don't know what to do, this kit is actually really good for that, because they give you like a step process on how you should use the products, what they're good for. So it's like good for anyone that's just like getting into that. If you take nothing else away from this video, take away that this will change your life. That's all you need to know. Just take that away. But that is it for the video. I hope you enjoy. I hope I gave you some insight on it. If you tried any more of their products, because they have like a number of stylists actually in this line, and you absolutely love it, let me know, because I might have to spend some more coins and try some other products. But only if you all let me know in the comments. But that is it for my video. Remember, when you know better, you do better. Until next time, bye.